This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP. I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate Prabdeep Singh with candidate number 110857. Okay, Prabdeep. First of all, please tell me something about yourself.
Well, I am a resident of Khanna city and I have recently completed my senior secondary from Sacred Heart School and I am preparing for my further studies.
Okay. Tell me something about your school.
My school was well recognized in my local area. However, most of the students and my friends also studied in that school, and with the advice of them, I also joined that school.
Okay. What do you like the most about your school?
The thing that I like about my school was that the administration is the most effective, that resulted in many bright students, and it has also raised the standard of the school.
Okay. And is there anything that you do not like or you want to change in your school?
Well, the playgrounds of that school were not so developed. So, in my opinion, if the playgrounds would be developed with the new technology, it would be more beneficial.
Okay. How your school is different from the rest of schools of your area?
As I have mentioned earlier, the administration and the staff members are well qualified, and as therefore they are better at providing information to the students, and in that way the learners can gain more knowledge better.
Okay. Okay. Which stream you have chosen in your senior secondary education?
In my senior secondary, I have chosen commerce stream, and I am further preparing to give the chartered accountant exam.
Okay. So, what was your favorite subject?
In my whole academics, my English was my favorite subject, and I also scored the highest in my subjects, because from the childhood, English was my favorite.
Okay. Which was the favorite topic or favorite chapter in English?
In English, there was the chapter name I don't remember, but the topic was about the sale of some survivors from the storm in the sea.
Okay. So, what do you think about English language?
I think about English language has become the most common means of communication between different while we migrate to different nations, and it helps us to communicate easily and to get formal with anyone in a different country.
Okay. Is it easy or difficult to learn any new language?
No, I don't think so, because if we learn any language with full dedication, we can easily learn anything we want.
And do you think due to popularity of English language, the other native languages are getting affected or they are disappearing?
No, due to the emergence of English language, it doesn't affect any language, because in growing age, everyone tends to use their mother tongue rather than choosing English.
Alright. Okay, let's talk about gifts. Do you like gifts?
Yes, I like gifts a lot, and whether it is receiving or giving gifts to any friend or relative, in that way I like gifts.
Okay. On what occasions people generally exchange gifts in your country?
The most common occasions are mostly festivals, where everyone exchanges sweets in gifts and also some toys for their children.
What type of gifts people give to others?
There are gifts the most common gifts in my country are clothes, which are that can be used for their for household purpose as well, than any other purposes.
Okay. Then why people give gifts to others?
People give gifts to others in order to show their love and affection towards them, and also to show that they care for each other.
Okay. Do you think giving books to someone as a gift is a good idea?
Yes, I think giving books to others as a gift is the best idea, because in that way they can gain knowledge, and also it will help them in future career, making any future career better.
Okay. Alright. We will move towards part 2 of speaking. Okay. Your cue card is describe a skill that you can teach other people. Okay, you have 1 minute to prepare for it, and then you have to deliver it for another 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
Well, I have seen various skills that can be adopted as a future career, but here I would like to talk about the skill that I personally adopt, and I advise to adopt others as well. The skill is about collecting the waste material that is used in our daily routines, and to use it as a decorating material to decorate the walls of our house. As I have learned this skill from my friend who was a as I have learned this skill from a friend who also used to collect waste material from his house and decorated his house. As he also advised me to adapt that skill and to use it, as it will help in saving the environment and also contribute towards the greenery of our surroundings. Well, I also suggest others that it is a great initiative towards saving our environment, as in the current time it is very bad. It has become bad environment in our surroundings, and also the pollution level of our local areas have increased a lot, that may cause in the health issues of the people, such as asthma and heart diseases. After adapting such a skill, it will really help in improving our environment. I feel really great that I learned a skill from my friend, and I also advise my other friends also to do that skill, adopt that skill.
Okay. Alright. Let's head towards follow-up questions. Okay. What is the best age to learn anything?
The best stage to learn anything is from the teenage, because at that time every individual is curious to learn anything from their surroundings, and they can easily be molded in that way to learn or adapt them or to teach them something new.
Okay. What can be the biggest challenge in learning any new skill?
The biggest challenge in learning any new skill can be a lack of guidance, because if there is someone who have experienced the skill before, then the learner can easily be we learn with the skill.
Okay. Do you agree that children are always more creative than adults?
Yes, however, in these recent times, children are more creative and because the technology have made them more smart, and in this era, children are more creative than adults.
Okay. Do you think creativity is an inborn talent, or it is a skill that can be learned or that can be developed over the period of time?
In creativity is sometimes inherited from the parents, or it can also be learned from the various institutions, as various courses are also available, such as in order to be manager, then we should adapt with courses according to it.
Okay, alright, thank you very much.